Hi, I'm Hannah Bernard. You're watching Market 1 Minute. Today I have the CEO of Kane Biotech here with me, Mark Ahrens-Townsend. Now, Mark, the company's been around for about 15 years. Tell me a little bit about Kane Biotech.
Well, Kane Biotech is a Canadian biotechnology company. It's engaged into the research and development of products that prevent and disperse biofilms. The company is kind of at a turning point in its history. We're moving from research and development, which is where we spent the majority of our time, into commercialization of products that will work against biofilms. The company itself is publicly traded on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol of KNE.
Now, you mentioned biofilms. I think I've heard of this before, but can you go into a bit more detail of what biofilms are?
We had developed technologies that can go in and attack the fortresses, the homes where the bacteria live. And so what that does is that we can go in and disperse the bacteria, break them up out of those biofilms, and then they become something that is vulnerable, it's free-floating, and they're relatively easy to kill.
Now, Mark, can you tell me about some milestones that Kane Biotech has accomplished in the last year?
Over the last year, it's been a very interesting year. To begin with, we've added 12 new patents and patent pending to our portfolio. So we're acknowledged to be a leader in the biofilm industry, and we want to stay that way. So we're now at 67 patents that we have in the company. In the first quarter of this past year, we actually had some clinical studies that we did for safety and efficacy of our biofilm technology applied to the companion pet market. So this is for dogs and cats, and it was specifically targeted towards water additives. So this is fighting the plaque and the tartar, because those are two good examples of biofilms that grow. And so dogs and cats, they suffer from the buildup of tartar and plaque in their teeth. That can lead to periodontal disease, can shorten their lifespan, can be kind of a nasty thing for them to deal with.
So what you're aiming to do is move out of just being a research and development company and moving more in towards commercialized product.
Exactly. So the majority of our history, we have been a research and development organization, and that's demonstrated by the number of patents we have now in the industry. But we want to commercialize those. So to drive shareholder value, we want to create innovative, effective, safe products for the market. And so that first area that we're focused on is the companion pet industry, which is actually very interesting. In the United States, North America, it's this year going to be about $62 billion in revenue. And the oral care market segment for dogs and cats is a growing area for us. So we've developed the Blue Stem product that was released in the second quarter of this year. That adds on to the product that we have called Strix NB. It's a brand that is in the veterinarian clinic channel. And we also had released a pet shampoo called Alicera, which is highly effective against things like atopic dermatitis. These are inflammatory skin diseases that the dogs and cats can get.
So we know that you have this avenue of companion pets and animal health. Is there any other avenues that you're moving into in 2016?
Well, we're going to be actually developing a human shampoo. I had mentioned for the shampoo for the companion pets, but we have a human shampoo that is in early stages of development. We'd like to take it further in clinical studies so that we can have more robust claims associated with the product. But this product in the tests that we've done, early tests we've done for people that suffer from conditions like chronic dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. This is a kind of a common and chronic inflammatory skin disease of the scalp. It has amazing results. And so we see that as a tremendous opportunity for the company.
Now, what can we expect for the next 12 months from Kane Biotech?
First of all, we have our joint development agreement with this global animal health company. We're going to be producing results out of our trials with them over the next few months, and we're very excited about what could happen there in terms of the opportunities for Kane. The second thing that we've got developing is that we are taking forward our product that we've been selling in Canada, our Blue Stem product, and we're going to be launching in the United States. So that's targeted for Q1 of 2016. Of course, that's a huge market. The third thing that we're going to be moving forward with is we have a a cooperative research and development agreement with the U.S. Army for our wound care gel. So this could have applications in military and civilian wound care applications, and we're developing additional products that are biofilm related. There's many opportunities for us to develop products to fill out our product portfolio and have more products commercialized in the market.
Well, it sounds like we can expect a lot in the next 12 months from Kane Biotech. Mark, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.